Hi guys, my name is Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. So makeup tutorial again. I'm going to do makeup on my grandmother. So we're going to do that in a moment now once I actually show you what I'm going to use on her. She doesn't really know that what I'm actually doing for her. There was a special on Beauty Bay, so there was like a from the Beauty Bay Cosmetics only, there was like big shadow palettes. If you buy one you get like a free gift, one out of those. If you get two you get a bigger gift, or if you get the three you get a huge gift. So like the huge gift was something to do with like brushes. I have hundreds of brushes, and this is my package. It's probably the biggest package I've ever had so far. So I bought two of the eyeshadow palettes, which I got a bit of a bigger gift. So I'm gonna open up and show you what it is. Alright, so just opening it now. It's coming up with little, obviously it's nice. Oh my god. Okay. So this is what I've got in the package I have for free. My Jesus. So yeah, so it says contents, no filter, make him blush, round. So these are like all these contents of what kind of brushes they are. So I'm gonna open it. So there's 12 pieces of brush set in a bag. Cute. I really like. I absolutely adore this chrome. Oh my god, I love chrome. This is iconic at EYN. So I think that's what it's called. Yep. So I'll show you. Cool. So this is what the bag looks like. It's pretty pretty. All nicely set up, and oh my god, the best thing is those things. Oh my god, thank god they got something like that. These are all the brushes they come with. So there's 12 of them in here. So more the foundation, powder brushes, little eyeshadows, brushes. So the palette each, I think it is $30 something, so like 37 Australian dollars. I assume so. So I think they were each $37 each. Sorry, this is one big ass palette. Okay, so there is two of them here. So this is Origin and this one is Identity. So there's two different ones. You can tell the colors on the back of it. So we're gonna open the Origin and I'll show you what that looks like. Jesus, it's massive. I don't know where to put this in the room. So this is one, I love pink chrome. Oh my god, I love any chrome. So this is what the package looks like. There is 42 color palette. Nice, nice. Why do I say it like that? Cool. So just open here. Oh my god, I love it. Like this, like almost like velvet, but it's like this thing you can scratch with it. Oh my god, that's what the palette looks like. And I'm just gonna open here. Ooh. So this is one palette looks like. Oh my god, I thought it would be a bit smaller, but it's huge. This is massive palette. So this is more like neutral shimmer palette. Oh my god, it is so lovely. Okay, this is actually really awesome. So this kind of palette, if you see up here along the side, and there's numbers on it. So there's 1 to 7, and these these 6, they have letter writing on it. So these are like base colors between 1 to 7 base. There's transition, so pretty much your first to put on up onto your base. And there's creases, there's liners, there's pop, and highlighter. That is awesome. I can't wait to do it on my grandma. I don't know what she likes, but that's amazing. I've never seen here like this, like palette like that, so I am so keen. Let's go to the next one, which is the Identity. So this is a beautiful chrome Identity. Jeez, I'm actually so obsessed with chrome. It's not even funny at all. And to open it, I can't remember what colours I've actually purchased because there's different other ones there. So these are the other colours I've got here. Looks like these. And yes, same thing with the writings and stuff. That's cool. There is a bit more like red, purple colours. There is another one that is like I think it's all like the multicolour rainbow colours, more matte. Yeah, because it is a bit expensive to get 3 of them, but this is probably enough and this is probably better. So I am probably gonna use the 10% off. I don't know. Alright, now you guys all seen like what I purchased. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to go back and to grab my grandma and get all the stuff ready. And alright guys, let's get into the video. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back. This is my grandma Noula.
Yeah, I'm 78 years old.
78.
And Jasmine's gonna do a facial for me, cleaning my skin and make me younger.
Oh yes, and she had her hair done just yesterday.
Yeah.
And it looks so beautiful.
Yeah.
You look 20 years younger.
Beautiful.
We're actually gonna start using this. This is a brand.
Yeah.
It's called Beauty Bay.
All right.
So it's a website, and I bought this with a promotion, and everyone chosen this one to be good.
All right.
All right, so I'm gonna start. I'm gonna do your eyes first.
You do whatever you think it's the right thing for me, okay? I trust you.
So nice.
A special one.
Are you cold?
I'm not cold, I'm perfect. I feel so good. And it's so comfortable with you.
Aw, thanks, Zia. I don't know if I need to prime your eyes. Prime. Let's prime your eyes. The first things I'm gonna use on my grandmother is my normal, I have to cover this around here. It's just a light. So this is the Professional Benefit Primer. I'm gonna place it on your eyes. Just a tiny bit.
I fall asleep.
Oh yes, you will. Yes. Nice and gentle.
Feels good.
So I'm gonna take the first one in number 7, and this is our base color. Doesn't have any.
This is my first time doing this. First time.
So all over the base. You're like falling asleep right now.
I feel so good.
You should. Right.
Ah.
The second one here for the transition. What did you do today? I saw you were in the garden.
Yeah, I've been doing gardening and I was going to have lunch, but Jasmine's been so busy this morning, so I don't want to miss out, so I'll sit down before my lunch. Alright, because she's very busy.
That's alright.
Make me nice. I'm gonna looking for boyfriend.
Yeah.
Why not? I'm gonna look for a rich one this time. Very rich.
Oh my goodness.
Imagine you have a boyfriend, huh?
I would not. So I'm now gonna go for my crease with this color. And for the line, I'm gonna take this color here. Take this silver one here. I'm not gonna put too much on it. I'm gonna put something a bit silver, like shimmer. So now I'm gonna go and use the Better Than Sex mascara. This is called Better Than Sex.
What it means?
Better than sex.
Better than said.
Sex.
Yes.
Sex. Yeah.
Yes.
Sex. S-E-X.
Sex.
Yeah.
Oh! Better than sex.
It's a mascara.
I don't know how sex it is. We're getting beautiful. Ah. Ah. I like it.
This is for Beauty Amplifier. I think that's what it's called. It's a smoothing base primer. It's in a little sample I've got. She does have oily skin like myself. So now I'm gonna have to figure out what foundation she can use. It's the MAC, and this is the Studio Fix Fluid. So I'm gonna use my concealer. This is a Smashbox Studio Skin 24 Hours, and this is waterproof. And where did I put my sponge? I'm gonna use a very small blending sponge that I bought from Kmart ages ago. It's really good. So I'm gonna do that. With some powder, so I'm gonna take the Cover Fix, my normal one, and this is the color Light, because she has the same almost like the same skin type as me. So I'm patting where the powder is coming, and I'm gonna press it down very gently. So pretty much the pores does not enlarge and does not show. It pretty much kind of like stays. I can't see where her brows are. I can definitely see where it is. So I'm using the Christian Faye. My mum had this from her work, old work, and these are all the colours. So I'm actually going to use the colour Tan because she doesn't need to be too dark for this look. So, and also her brows, it'd probably be way too dark if I use a darker colour. Okay. So I'm actually using the thin stencil here. So she does have thin brows.
Beautiful. I look beautiful.
You do. You look very beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to take my Tarte bronzer, and this is the Park Ave Princess. Looks like this. And I'm taking a really big brush out. Yeah. Alright. Too Faced. It's like another glows of bronzer, but I am going to take the darker, like probably this shade here. Gonna take the Too Faced, and this is my blush here, and this is Candy Glow. Oh, I hate when it moves like that, so it looks like this. So now I'm going to take my Becca, and this is my normal shimmer.
How can you remember all these things? My God.
All practice here. All learning practice. So we're going to take the Estee Lauder. This is her lipstick, and this is called Blushing Cream. So it's this colour here, and let's just go. Taking what we said again. So this is a look in the end. So she does look 20 years younger now, and
I am. I'm happy. I'm gonna find a boyfriend for sure tonight. I come back tonight with a boyfriend for sure. For sure.
Let's see if Mum and
Okay.
Dad approves.
Approve. And you too.
Me, it doesn't need me. I don't need to approve.
Why not?
Um,
If you say to me, yeah, this is the right man for you, I get him. I'm gonna marry him. Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much guys for watching this video today. Give it a like and to subscribe to my channel down below.
Yeah.
And if you want to see more of my grandmother getting her makeup done again, let us know in the comments.
Yes.
You'll-
I'm here all the time.
So you'll be back here again.
Yes.
We'll do
for
something
sure.
do something very different.
Yes. I'm ready. What can I say? Ready.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video today. I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye.